Is making money online possible? Making money online is definitely possible and has become increasingly common in recent years. Here are some interesting facts and statistics to making money online. 1. E-commerce growth. Global e-commerce sales were estimated to be around $4.9 trillion in 2021 and are expected to grow to over $7 trillion by 2025. This rapid growth is a clear indicator of the opportunities available for individuals and businesses to earn money online through selling products and services. 2. Freelance economy. According to a report by Upwork and Freelancers Union, the freelance economy in the U.S. contributes nearly $1.2 trillion to the economy annually. This highlights the vast opportunities for individuals to make money online through freelance work across various sectors such as writing, programming, design, and consulting. 3. Affiliate marketing. The affiliate marketing industry is worth over $12 billion globally. Affiliates earn money by promoting other people's products and earn a commission on sales or leads generated through their marketing efforts. 4. Online courses and education. The online learning market is projected to reach $375 billion by 2026. Professionals and experts are monetizing their knowledge by creating and selling courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable. 5. Digital marketing. With the increase in digital consumption, businesses are investing heavily in digital marketing. In 2021, digital advertising spending worldwide surpassed $455 billion. Individuals and agencies offering digital marketing services like SEO, social media marketing, and PPC advertising can capitalize on this trend to earn money online. 6. YouTube revenue. Over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute, and successful YouTubers can make substantial incomes through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise. Reports suggest top YouTubers can make millions of dollars annually. 7. Stock photography. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow photographers to sell their photos online. As digital media grows, the demand for high-quality images increases, providing a lucrative opportunity for photographers. These statistics and trends illustrate the vast potential for earning money online, with opportunities available across a wide range of industries and niches. Thank you for watching. Feel free to share, give us a like, comment, and subscribe to 4 Real Facts.